Estas son las mañanitas que cantaba el rey David. ¡Feliz cumpleaños! ¡Felicidades! ¡Ya estás viejo! Wait, what? How many ways are there to congratulate a person in Spanish? Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Bienvenidos. Welcome to Spring Spanish. Yo soy María Fernanda and I am one of the Spanish teachers here at Spring Spanish. Today, I will be teaching you 5 different ways to congratulate someone and of course, the names of those special occasions in Spanish on which you should congratulate someone. So, ¿estás listo? Número 1. Felicidades. This one is a lifesaver, as you can use it to say congratulations for any occasion or for anything. Let's see some examples. Me voy a casar. I'm gonna get married. ¡Felicidades! Hoy es mi cumpleaños. Today is my birthday. ¡Felicidades! Mis papás cumplen 30 años de casados. My parents have their 30th wedding anniversary. ¡Felicidades! Now, let's be more specific. Número 2. ¡Feliz cumpleaños! Don't forget, if estás en la fiesta de un mexicano, if you are at the Mexican birthday party, that you must sing Las Mañanitas and not the happy birthday song. And of course, after partir el pastel, cutting the cake, abrazas al festejado, you hug the birthday person and say Feliz cumpleaños, happy birthday. And it is okay as well as a cultural fact to joke about the birthday age and say, ay, ya estás viejo, o ya estás vieja. That means you are already old. Número 3. Feliz aniversario. And no, we don't use this if you have a birthday, only cuando quieres conmemorar un día especial, when you want to commemorate one special day. Por example, tu aniversario de bodas, your wedding anniversary, and then, when is that special day, you say, Feliz aniversario, happy anniversary. The next congratulations, I like it very much because it could be applicable to many days. Número 4. Feliz día. Feel free to add whatever celebration you want in here. Let's see some examples together. Feliz Día de las Madres. Happy Mother's Day. Feliz Día del Padre. Happy Father's Day. Feliz Día de San Valentín. Happy Valentine's Day. Feliz Día de la Independencia. Happy Independence Day. Feliz Día de los Inocentes. Happy April's Fool. Fun fact, we actually Mexicans have an April Fool's Day, but we celebrate it on the 28th of December and not in April. For any of these special occasions, besides of congratulating someone, you may want to continue a conversation using the following chunks. Te deseo un excelente día. I wish you an excellent day. Te deseo lo mejor. I wish you all the best. Enhorabuena. Congrats. Felicitaciones. Congratulations. 1000 felicidades. 1000 congrats. Muchas felicidades. Lots of congrats. Chunk alert! All of these are good examples of chunks. Word combinations you should learn by heart as a whole because they will never change. That way, they will roll off the tongue whenever you're speaking Spanish. For example, muchas felicidades, it's a perfect chunk because it will never change. You will never say muchos felicidades or so. You don't even have to know which gender felicidades es. You learn the whole chunk by heart and you will use it yourself correctly. If you'd like to know more about learning Spanish through chunks, check out our free Spanish training that we have where we explain our method in detail. The link is in the comments below. Okay, now let's see some other occasions that you can congratulate someone. In Spanish, of course. El nacimiento de un bebé. The birth of a child. Felicidades por el nacimiento de tu hijo o de tu hija. Congratulations for the birth of your son or your daughter. La graduación de la escuela o de la universidad. Graduation day from school or university. Felicidades, graduado. Congratulations, graduate. O tal vez una boda. Maybe a wedding. Felicidades a los novios. Congratulations to the groom and bride. Felicidades al papá de la novia. Congratulations to the father of the bride. What about un nuevo trabajo? A new job. Felicitaciones por tu nuevo trabajo. Congrats on your new job. Let's end this lesson with the chunks we use to congratulate on Christmas and New Year's Eve. Número 5. Felices fiestas. Happy holidays! But if you really want to be very specific, just like the song, you might say Feliz Navidad, the equivalent to Merry or, in this case, Happy Christmas. And to wish a Happy New Year, we say Feliz Año Nuevo.